ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ማትስ ዊዝ ሄሌና ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ነው። ዛሬ ቻፕተር 1ን ስለጨረስን ለፈተና ዝግጁ የሚያደርጋችሁን ቆንጆ ጥያቄዎች አዘጋጅቼላችኋለሁ። አብረን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። እንጀምር። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ which of the following is the correct representation of set A containing all vowels in the English alphabet? A E I O U, B B C D F G, C A E I O U with open brace, D A B C D E. Answer A. Which of the following describes a null set? A. X where X is an even number, B. X where X is an odd number greater than 2, C. X where X is a month with 32 days, D. X less than or equal to 5 and an element of natural number. Answer C. If set A equals 2, 4, 6 and 8 and set B equals 4, 8 and 10, what is A intersection B? A 2, 6 and 10, B 4 and 8, C 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, D 2 and 10. Answer B. The set of natural numbers between 5 and 10 is A 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, B 6, 7, 8 and 9, C 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, D 7, 8 and 9. Answer B. Which of the following sets is finite? A. X where X is a whole number, B. X where X is a natural number, C. X where X is less than 20 and an element of natural number, D. X where X is an integer. Answer C. Which of the following is not a subset of A, B, C? A. Only A, B. A and C, C, A and D, D empty set. Answer C. The number of subsets of the set 1, 2, 3, 4 is A 4, B 8, C 12, D 16. Answer D. If set A equals X where X is a letter in set and the cardinal number or number of A is A2, B3, C4, D5. Answer B. The Venn diagram correctly represents A proper subset of B is A 2 separate circles, B circles overlapping partially, C circle A completely inside circle B, D circle B inside circle A. Answer C. Which of the following is the intersection of 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5? A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, B 3, D 1, 4 and 5, D empty set. Answer B. Which of the following sets represents the solution of X where X is even number less than 10? A 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, B 2, 4, 6 and 8, C 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, D 5, 10 and 15. Answer B. If set A is X where X is a factor of 6, then A equals A 1, 2, 3 and 6, B 1, 2, 4 and 6, C 2, 3, 4 and 6, D 3, 6, 9 and 12. Answer A. Which of the following statement is true? A. Empty set is proper subset with set including 0. B. 0 is proper subset of empty set. C. Empty set equals 0. D. Empty set not an element of set including 0. Answer A. The number of proper subsets of a set with 3 elements is A 8, B 7, C 3, D 6. Answer B. In a school, set A equals students who play football, set B equals students who play volleyball. If one student plays both sports, what does that student represent? A union B, B A intersection B, C A difference B, D B difference A. Answer B. If set A equals X, where X is an even number less than 10, what is A? A 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, B 2, 4, 6 and 8, C 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, D 10, 12, 14, 16. Answer B. If set A equals X, where X is a letter in the word set, and B equals X, where X is a letter in the word test, find A intersection B. A S N T, B E N T, C S E N T, D E. Answer C. How many subsets does a set with 3 elements have? A 3, B 4, C 6, D 8. Answer D. Which of the following is an infinite set? A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, B X, where X is a natural number, C B, A, C, and D, D, X, where X is less than 10. Answer B. If A equals 2, 3, and 5, and B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, then A is A equals to B, B subset of B, C disjoint from B, D complement of B.